You ever feel like you have butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? Or maybe a gut feeling about something? Well, it turns out that's not just a figure of speech. Your gut and your brain are in a constant two-way conversation. And this connection is way more powerful than most of us realize. It's called the gut-brain axis, and it could be the secret key to unlocking better mental health, deeper sleep, and a more stable mood. Let's break it down. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, collectively known as your gut microbiome. For a long time, we thought their only job was to help us digest food. But new research is blowing that idea out of the water. It turns out this bustling community of microbes is like a tiny chemical factory, producing all sorts of compounds, including neurotransmitters. Yeah, you heard that right. Neurotransmitters. We're talking about things like serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals you usually associate with your brain. In fact, believe it or not, about 95% of your body's serotonin is produced right there in your gut. So when your gut microbiome is out of balance, it can directly mess with your mood, leading to feelings of anxiety or depression. This communication line works both ways. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals that can totally disrupt your gut. This is why major stress can sometimes lead to digestive issues. But a stressed-out gut then sends its own inflammatory signals back up to the brain, which can make you feel even more stressed, anxious, and foggy. It's a vicious cycle. So how does this affect something like sleep? Well, your gut microbes also play a role in producing and regulating hormones like melatonin, the sleep hormone. An unhealthy gut can lead to messed up melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. If you've tried everything for your insomnia but haven't looked at your gut health, this might be your missing link. Okay, so what can we do about it? The good news is, you have a lot of power to change your gut microbiome for the better. The number one way is through your diet. Your gut bacteria thrive on fiber, so loading up on a wide variety of plant-based foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, is crucial. Think of it as feeding the good guys. Another powerful tool? Probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Prebiotics are the fiber that feeds those good bacteria, found in things like garlic, onions, and bananas. By taking care of your gut, you're not just improving your digestion, you're directly investing in your mental clarity, your emotional resilience, and your ability to get a good night's sleep. It's a total game changer. So next time you're thinking about your well-being, remember to think about your second brain, the one in your gut.